The prince has a mistress. The Irishman has a mistress too. Everyone seems to. Or a wife, or both. I have concluded that I want a mistress. It's bad enough not to sleep like others.
Sitting up, you mean? Couldn't be very restful.
I have to. My head is too heavy to lay down. But to sleep alone is the worst.
The artist expresses his love through his works. That is civilization.
Are you very shocked?
Why should I be?
Others would be.
I am not others.
I suppose it's hopeless.
Nothing is hopeless unless it is unlikely.
I thought you may have a few ideas.
I can guess who has ideas here.
You don't know something. I've never seen a naked woman.
Oh, surely, in all the fairs you worked.
I've been a real woman.
Is one more real than another?
Like the ones in the theater, in the opera.
Surely, you can't mean they are more real.
In the audience, a woman not worn out early, respectful of herself, a lady.
Ah,
Someone get up. You have no idea how fairground are in Scandal.
I thought you mean someone like Princess Alexandra.
She's too old.
Oh, then someone like Dorothy.
She doesn't seem happy now.
Lady Ellen.
She's too thin.
Then who?
Certain women have a kind of a ripeness. They seem to stop at a perfect point.
My dear, she doesn't exist.
That's why I think I never saw her.
What would your friend Bishop Howe say of all this, I wonder?
He says I should put all this thing out of my mind.
Is that the best he can suggest?
I tried to put them out of my mind, but they reappear, snap.
What about Frederick?
He will be appalled if I told him.
I'm flattered. Too little trust has maimed my life, but that is another story.
Oh, what a rain.